As soon as I finished school, I ventured into my first business, which brought me immense wealth and fulfilled my lifelong dreams. However, this narrative is not only false but also highly improbable. The problem is that many people who aspire to become rich fall for this widespread internet myth. Why? Because it sounds much easier than the harsh reality. If you desire wealth without putting in the necessary hard work, I would suggest buying a lottery ticket and relying on luck, as it might be more effective. Now, don't get me wrong. I did achieve my millions by starting successful businesses. But it wasn't an overnight success story sparked by watching a top 10 side hustle video. When I say that your chances of starting a successful business straight out of school are slim, I'm not trying to crush your dreams. In fact, quite the opposite. I want you to save your valuable time and focus on developing the skills needed for success. If your goal is to become rich, pay attention, because if I were in your shoes, I would follow these 6 steps. First, identify your natural talents. Forget the cliché advice of follow your passion, because not all passions can lead to financial success. Instead, focus on the skills that come naturally to you and identify common threads among them. These are your money-making skills. Concentrate on improving and leveraging these skills rather than starting something entirely new. Next, devote yourself fully to a job. While it may be trendy to want to escape the traditional work structure, doing the bare minimum and saving your energy for side hustles is not a mindset that leads to success. Take every opportunity, even in seemingly mundane jobs, to learn important skills that will be valuable in the future. Work to learn, not just to earn money. Third, nurture your contacts and work on your image. First impressions matter, both in person and online. Present yourself in a way that highlights your strengths and leaves a lasting impact on others. Be mindful of how you come across to people, as social media has made it easier for others to form opinions about you before even meeting you. Step 4 is all about identifying improvements and recording them. Observe the problems and solutions within your current job or business. Take note of what works well and what needs improvement. This information will be valuable when you eventually start your own venture. Step 5 involves testing your fixes through a side hustle. Starting a business can be daunting, so it's wise to start small and test your ideas. See what works and what doesn't. Measure the results and gather feedback from potential customers. Focus on the 20% of your efforts that bring 80% of the results. Finally, when you have gone through the previous steps, you'll be ready to launch your business. This is where you take the best parts of your side hustle, the top 20%, and scale it up to reach a larger audience. Learn from the results and adapt your strategies accordingly. Remember, the path to becoming a billionaire involves delivering value to a vast number of people through a successful business. If you're looking for inspiration and side hustle ideas, you can check out the next video. But before you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're serious about growing your wealth. I'm here to guide you on this journey.